Hello, it's Ashley here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am sharing a layout that I created for the Paige Evans cut file team. Like Paige has done in the past, she is offering some fun bundles. So right now she has the fall bundle coming out, and I am working with one of the cut files from the bundle. It is this mushroom cut file. I've already backed the cut file off camera, and I'm just taking a white gel pen and just creating some fun stitching lines in just random places on those mushrooms. I am working with Paige's Truly Grateful collection. I love this collection a lot, and I wish that I had more of it. I wish I could find it in stores because it's just one of my favorites of her collections. So I feel like every time I work with it, I am trying to savor every last piece. So I'm just creating some fun little hills for the mushrooms to sit on, and I have just free hand cut these pieces here. So yeah, I'm going to be taking some foam adhesive and putting it on two of the layers to have some room to tuck the mushrooms behind. So I am pretty much done here then, and I'm going to just add some adhesive with my ATG gun here, only on the bottom, so that I have room to tuck in those mushrooms without having to pull up on the layers. There we are. So I'm going to kind of move this around and finagle with it to get it to where I like it, so that the mushrooms aren't floating and they're kind of tucked behind a layer. And I will be using this photo of my daughter's. Our school does a pumpkin patch every fall, and this was from a couple years ago. So they do this pumpkin patch party, and they have games and crafts, and they get to bring their own pumpkins, and they get to paint them, and they have face painting, so it's a lot of fun. We get lots of cute photos for me to document and fun memories for them to have for a very long time. So I'm just trying to decide where I want my photo, if I want it tucked behind with those mushrooms, or if I want it sitting on top of that first hill. And I'm going to cut out some puffy white clouds. This is actually fairly simple to do. You could always draw them out first if you'd like, if you don't feel confident enough with your cutting skills. But I've done it so many times that it's pretty simple. You just make some little puffy clouds, and they don't have to be perfect. The more whimsical they look, the more fun they are. So I've cut out 5 of them, and I'm going to add some foam adhesive on the back of these. Since they are obviously the same color as the background, I want them to be able to stick out even more, and I've kind of just roughed up the edges with my finger and kind of bent them up, and you can really see how much they stand out now. I think they look so cute, and they just kind of add some fun texture up at the top of the layout. I'm taking some of these flowers from one of the pattern papers, and I'm going to be fussy cutting them out and tucking them in between the layers of the hills and by the mushrooms. That's one of my favorite things to do, is to fussy cut flowers and just tuck them in fun places, and it kind of helps finish off the layout. So that's what I've done here, and I've also taken some of the smaller flowers and leaves and put them up, tuck them up by the clouds, even though obviously there's no flowers in the clouds, but it really brought up some color to the top of the layout, and I think it looks very cute. I really like the way that looks. So I'm just gluing these flowers down now, and my photo. Just continuing to move them around to where I like them, and I will be adding my title now. It says Fall Sweeties, and I was trying to decide if I wanted that fall to be on top of the photo itself or to be on top of the first little hill there, and I think I like it better on top of the photo and just following the hill, the curve of the hill. And so that is the gold are just thickers, and then the word fall is from the thickers that come with the Truly Grateful collection. And these are some Nuvo drops that I'm just adding on top of the clouds. I like the way that looks. And that is all, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this process. I think you guys will really enjoy the new cut files that Paige is coming out with her fall bundle. They are all so super cute. And yeah, that's it all, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a great day.